YouTube Nation, Facebook fam, what's happening, man? It's your boy, Big Vic, Compton Scholar, man. You know how we do it. I haven't really been doing vlogs lately, been on the grind. This month I'm double up in classes, but I have been purchasing products and I've been waiting for this one. Just for a little bit, I ordered it, need some more soap. I was like, well, instead of giving my money to Dove or whoever, I said let me go on webuyblack.com and get me a little something. So let me show you the website real quick. Here's the website, webuyblack.com. Green soap, hemp, coconut soap, and organic soap. It's $6 a bar. I learned that today. It's $6 a bar. This is what it should look like. Something like that right there. But we'll find out for sure. Now, if I would known it was $6 a bar, I would order like 2 or 3 more. I thought it came in pack before, but that's my fault for not talking to the owner. On webuyblack.com, you can hit up the owner right here. Herbaceutikals. You can hit them up, contact them, get some information, and they usually hit you up within the next 24 hours or less. So let's put that out of the way. Let's get into it. Let's see what all they sent us. Alright. So I get some aroma, so different. I did open this earlier, so these are like cone incense, and they smell good. They smell real good. In fact, see if I can find a container, and maybe put these in my car, like a little glass container with holes on top. Set those to the side. Excuse me. This is dope. This is real nice. I like this touch. Not knitted, but you know, basically this is a card. It says thank you. Shout out to the owner. Got some documents, if you will. Herbaceutikals. Small batch, hand-poured herbal skin and body glove, as you can see. They sell a plethora of different items, like oils, lotions, body butter. So we're gonna check all of that. We're gonna check all this stuff out in time. Hit up webuyblack.com. A lot more for a lot of my household needs. If I don't go there, I'll probably go to the dock, big shop here for work. So I kind of glanced over this earlier. Okay. And it says the survival pack. So what it looks like, let you get a look at it real quick. Has a list of different herbs and what they're useful for, which I like because I'm trying to get away from all synthetic man-made materials. It's not good for you because everything that man makes has a side effect that mess you up, and then you gotta buy more medicine. It's all about money. I think it was Grandmaster Flash and the Furious 5. It's all about money. Ain't a damn thing funny. You gotta have a con in this land of milk and honey. So that's dope that they send you a little list of the herbs, specific herbs, and what they're useful for. So here we go. They sent this in the packet, and I'm actually very impressed off top. Let me tell you why. Here in Texas, it's 102 degrees, and when I got my package, of course, it was in the plastic baggie, but it wasn't melted. The bar is still solid. And it's 102 degree heat outside, and this was in the mailbox for at least 2 or 3 hours of that, and then probably the hot warehouse for longer than that. So here we go. Elevating green soap, clear coconut glycerin soap with non-GMO organic cannabis, grapefruit, and other essential oils. Organic, fair trade, sustainable. www.herbaceuticals.com. So if you want to, you can probably go to the website and order this directly from them. I just did We Buy Black because We Buy Black is kind of the black Amazon.com, so we don't get them up some more. But this is a real solid bottle. It feels like it's well made. So this is what we're gonna do together. We're gonna pop this open, shall I say? See what it looks like. And yes, I will be using this tonight. I'm gonna bed, got a shower up. and I will be doing a review video. Okay. Not that hard to open. I didn't really want to like the package like that, but nice paper, nice wrapping paper too. I like that. Very uniformly wrapped. And this feels like a completely different paper than the paper the information was printed on. Okay. It looks similar to the picture. I think the picture they had a real bright white light on it, but you can see there's a coconut glycerin soap. And you can see the cannabis in there. Nah, man, don't try to smoke that. But we're gonna take a shower. We're gonna use this soap. It smells good. It smells good to me. It smells authentic. It smells organic. As you can see, you can kind of see through it a little bit. So we're gonna use this, and I'm gonna let you know my personal opinion on it, how I felt against my skin. Just to give you a reference, I've used Dove. I'm mainly a Dove user. I use Irish Spring. I use the soap, the bar soaps. I use the liquid soaps, body washes, should I say. And I like them because they're soaps and they get a manly smell, but I want to give something try, something different, and this is kind of like the first thing that popped in there. So we're gonna try different things, but if this, I really like this, it'll probably be a go-to soap, and I'll order just more than one. I'll order probably 2 or 3. And before you trip out from the fact that they're $6 a bar, understand this is a handmade. They make them in small batches, so they're all about quantity quality over quantity, rather. And they want to give you the best product out, and this is all natural. The reason why all natural things, one of the reasons why all natural things are so more expensive than something that the company can churn out is because the company turns out things with synthetic materials that they make. That they can make massive batches of, and they can flood the market and sell them for a lower price and still make a big profit. Companies like Herbaceutikals, or even small companies that are like white owned or whatever, they have to charge what we might see as exuberant price because they can't keep up, or should I say, they can't flood the market the same way the other companies can. So once black folk, we start supporting our own a lot more, not only will they be able to deliver the product, a quality product, at a more what we consider reasonable price, but they can deliver it in mass market, and they can kind of flood your favorite stores, your favorite black-owned stores. And you might even see them in a few Walmarts, like Bevel's in Walmart shutting it down. Bevel, they're doing their thing. And I'm not saying it's just a black-owned thing, but black people, we need to get behind our people more than anyone else. That's how it should be. So, good people, I just want to share this unboxing with you. As you can see, man, you get a little bit more than what you probably bargained for. I didn't expect all this stuff in here at all. I didn't expect a pamphlet with all the herbs and their different uses and what they can help out with. But I'm gonna check this out. And right off top, hold on real quick. Something caught my eye. This one, Cocos nucifera, or nucifera. That's nucifera. Nucifera sounds ridiculous. Repairs damaged hair, reduces dandruff, hair loss, delays wrinkling and sagging of skin, useful in healing psoriasis, dermatitis, eczema, and other skin infections, bruises. Internally useful for stress relief. Maintaining cholesterol levels, weight loss, proper digestion, metabolism, relief of kidney problems, heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, increased immunity, HIV and cancer, remineralizing to the teeth and bones, kills viruses that cause influenza, measles, hepatitis, herpes, SARS. So that's what's up. Now, before y'all try to clown the information, just know something. You need to look it up for yourself, because I looked it up and I got more research to do, and I want to do a big video on it. On Dr. Sebi. Dr. Sebi recently went to court. I want to say early this year or late last year, and he had to go to Supreme Court. He was arrested and brought up on charges of I guess falsifying information, because he said he can cure all these diseases, and he won his case. Okay, Dr. Sebi won his case in the Supreme Court. So, and this man also said he can cure HIV, and I'm pretty sure this herb is probably part of it, because HIV is a man-made virus. And I hate to get off on a tangent, on boxing, but HIV is a man-made virus, and anything a man can make, man can cure. So, sad to say this, but good people, sorry for making this a long video, but I'm very excited to spend money with black folk, and hopefully this video and me being a probably continual customer, repeat customer, will help this black owner be able to expand their business, hire more black folk, and do big things. So thank you. Peace and blessings to all the haters and how we do it. Y'all have a good night, man. I say.
Girl say that she hit the club out every night. She get laid to get paid. The lifestyle that she chose. Don't know why I try to save him. I'm no superhero. You see her hair done. Took 2 hours. Makeup took another one. Just to sweat it all off.